Blammin RC, we back. We in here. This car been down for a couple weeks. We broke one of the arms. Well, not necessarily the arm, but I forget the name of this piece. But as you can see, we just put the metal replacement here. I wanted to show y'all a little bit of the process. So I had to take a lot of the bits off and pretty much put inside of here. This is the replacement. They gave me 2 of them. So it's almost put together now. Just pretty much have to screw on this part, and we have to put in the CVD again. And now we have this piece right here, which is gonna go through the lower arm and pretty much connect this piece right here, which is like a pinion or something, you know. If it was a real car, it would be like a pinion or something like that. So, I mean, at first I was like, man, that's why I haven't really got around to it, because I didn't feel like doing the work. And now that I've been working on it, it really wasn't that difficult. So I wanted to show you guys another part I ran into. You see that hole there? And then in here we have some extra screws. So I said, okay, so they gave me extra screws for that. And then this is the broken piece. So I already unscrewed that out. So it's a very tiny screw there, as you can see. So that's what's gonna go right there to pretty much hold this bar in place, I guess. Kind of keep it to where it won't move around and whatnot. And I actually ended up beating this part out with a hammer and some pliers. And all along, all I had to do was just unscrew the thing from this broken piece. But now I know. So yeah, this has been pretty cool. A pretty decent project. Haven't had any hang-ups yet. I gotta make sure this part is tight enough. So I'll be right back at you once it's all installed and put together. All right, so I got everything bolted on, and just looking at it, it looks like this side pokes up a little bit more than the stock one, the plastic one. But I just tested it and put the wheel on, and the wheel is flush. And as you can see, this part is facing down a little bit more than that side. Is like more leveled straight. Hopefully that doesn't affect the performance of the car. It seems like one of those situations where it'd probably be best to change both of these pieces. But like my boy Thunder RC says, if it isn't broke, don't fix it. So we're gonna rock like that, pop the wheels on and see how it rides. We got it running. This rear wheel is the one that I just replaced. Not sure how straight it goes. Giving it a test run, you know, everything looks okay. The wheel does look a little crooked, so it might need some tweaks. Check it out. Yeah, so I just tested it. It's running as straight as it's gonna get. I can't really complain. I tested it with the body off and just put the body on. It's pretty good, you know. Kind of the back wheel looks like it's a little toe out. So, you know, maybe that's how it came and I just didn't notice it. But if I have any more issues, I'll make some tweaks like I said. But, you know, mission accomplished. We got the HNR Werewolf back in running condition. And that's gonna conclude this brief, you know, maintenance video. Just got it out the shop, you know, so that's gonna be it for today. Blammin RC. I appreciate y'all for viewing. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.